Now remember that here I said that they differ in terms of wavelength and frequencies. Okay, so now what you should know is that okay, so now remember that I said that they have different wavelength and the frequencies. So now as you go to the radio waves, the wavelength does what? Increases. As you go to the radio waves, there is increasing in what? In wavelength. Okay. Then as you go to the gamma rays, there is increasing what? Frequency. So what we are saying here is that radio waves have higher wavelength, whereas gamma rays have less what? Wavelength. Then whereas the gamma rays have higher frequency but less wavelength. Then radio waves have higher wavelength but less what? Frequency. That's what we are saying here. Then from there now we're going to look at the features of the electromagnetic spectrum or electromagnetic. Okay, so now we look at features of the electromagnetic waves. So all of them travel at the same speed of light in a vacuum. So in short, all of them, they have the same speed, which is 3.0 times 10 to the power 8 meters per second. Electromagnetic waves travel in a vacuum. Obey the wave equation. V is equal to F times the wavelength. They all travel in a straight line. They are all transverse waves. So now we look at this other part. Okay, so now we now look at the waves and their uses. So radio waves are used for broadcasting. Microwaves are used for communication and cooking. Infrared are used in remote control. So the remote that we use, there's infrared, and also for heating. We use infrared for heating. Then light, we use it for seeing, the visible light coming from the sun. We use it for seeing and also for communication. Ultraviolet for sterilizing and the sun tanning. Ultraviolet comes from the sun. And then X-rays are used for shadow pictures of bones. When you have injured yourself or there's dislocation, so they'll show you the shadow picture of bones. Then gamma rays are used to kill cells.